In 2001, a French prisoner did something no one thought was possible. He escaped from maximum security using a helicopter. Pascal Payet was serving time for armed robbery when his accomplices hijacked a helicopter and landed right in the prison courtyard. In broad daylight, guards watched helplessly as Payet climbed aboard and flew to freedom, but that was just the beginning. After his recapture, Payet escaped again. Same method, different helicopter. This time, he was serving time for his first escape. Then he got creative. He started orchestrating helicopter escapes for fellow inmates. His crew would hijack aircraft and pluck prisoners from exercise yards like action movie scenes. French authorities were humiliated. Massive manhunts swept across Europe. Payet became a folk hero, but the escapes had to stop. France installed anti-helicopter nets over every prison yard in the country. Other nations followed suit. One man's audacious methods revolutionized prison security worldwide. Payet was finally caught for good, but his legacy lives on in those nets hanging over to prisons everywhere.